Hey Aman, welcome to Speak Out Club and hello everyone. This is Aman Purana. So he is a purchase manager at and Honda. Today he's going to share his experience about my diamond, which is a personal mentorship with me, guys. So yes, Aman, the diamond membership program, like what is the best part which you like about it?
Ma'am, the best part, actually knowing me, the session which you conducted about the EB, empowering beliefs, that helped me to know what kind of a person I am. So by doing that activity, I was able to know the disempowering belief and how to overcome that disempowering belief by getting my strong points into me. So by that exercise, I was able to know about my best points, about my strong points, and also my the improvement points which I have to work upon. So that was about that activity. So because of that, now I think I'm quite confident. And it's been around 1 month, so I have seen a lot of me basically. So that was the best thing about the diamond package, ma'am. And plus 1 hour which I get from you, speaking about that podcast. It is really very good, ma'am. So that helps basically understand the topic. So in that case, your comprehension skill also increases basically. So that
yes. Yeah. Your comprehending ability actually increases because normally what happens speaking. Now when I push you to do something, your brain gets into a thinking mode. Okay, and then when you start giving some task to your brain, and that's how you start expressing.
And you would be glad to know. Yesterday I was in a Fortune Hotel. I was called there. So we had an entertainment party there for all the trainers basically. So the way I was speaking with there also some motivational speaker came. The way I was speaking with them, my friends, they don't know how this confidence you are getting. So which was not seen in you, 1 month back.
So on Facebook, are you talking about that?
Yes, yes. The one which I posted.
Like all decorated.
Yes. So that gave me a confidence that you can do it. I was having that fear in my mind that I cannot speak in front of audience, but in 1 month that a big transformation I have seen in me that I can tell you. So I am not not in a state of fear anymore basically.
Wow, so that's amazing.
That was the best part about your having classes with you and getting the diamond membership.
Great. About the second question, I think you already partially talked about the transformation. So then my second question would be, what is the big shift that happened within you? So what I observed is that, that was already inside you, but you were like very much hesitant. Somewhere it was not into the surface level. It was there, that potential was there, that speaker was there, but somewhere you were not aware of those belief system which was pulling you back. But when I just showed it, it's just see the main job of a coach is to show you a mirror that look, this is what is going on in your subconscious, right? So what is the biggest shift which happened in you, like before and after, if I talk?
Before was like I was more anxious and nervous. So now after in a very good way, and it's only 1 month. So I'll be there for another 8 to 9 months with you. So I don't know by that time to what level I'll go. So I'm very much confident that yes, it would be a big transformation as far as I am concerned, from a nervous and anxious speaker to a world-class speaker. So I think I'm moving in that direction gradually. If not today, then maybe 8 to 9 months, there will be a bigger transformation in me.
Great. So how has that shift or transformation helped you in your practical life? Like as you already mentioned one example that yesterday, suddenly you had an event and then you were so confident speaking in front of people. So daily to daily basis, like how is that shift helping you as a person? Like as in terms of your
I think since I'm working in a multinational company, and now the way I'm dealing with the people and my supporting reporting managers. So because of that confidence, they also consider me, whatever I am speaking. So that carries value basically. The way you are speaking, and if you show the confidence in your words, so definitely they will have the same thing in their mind. So of course, it has created a very positive and a strong image of so-called anxious and nervous Aman Purana into a big speaker, a good speaker,
Great.
and a good manager.
So you mean to say that your self-image, your value has increased
Yes.
in front of your higher-ups? Okay.
Basically, the thing is that when your confidence starts going, so it gives you a lot of inside confidence also, and because of that, you are able to deal with the superior.
Yeah, because see,
and
what is within you, that people will also be able to sense.
correct.
People will be able to
Correct.
sense that vibe.
Correct.
So
So
great.
I think English speaking is all about killing your nervousness and anxiety. So, and you have helped me a lot in this field, ma'am. So, hats off to you. And
My pleasure, Aman. I
yesterday,
think, from the
yesterday there was
I have noticed that hunger, that desire within you to reach to the top.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
every session you say that, ma'am, you know what? I'm going to perform better and the best
Yes.
in the next session.
Yes.
That desire has actually pulled you to that level. I have
Correct.
already helped you, I have
Correct.
pushed you, but then
Correct.
it's your desire that, and I'm very glad to say that every session, every activity, every assignment which I have given to you, you have given your 100% to it, right? So it's all you. So yeah, so
Ma'am.
do you recommend this course to the fellow speakers, who actually are looking at taking their confidence to the next level in terms of speaking? Because see, 90% of the people, especially in India, I have seen they suffer from that glossophobia, like fear of public speaking. But actually, they make it big in their mind, but it's not so big. So will you
Yes.
recommend this course to them?
Of course, ma'am. I've already started recommending to the lot of people. Whosoever is talking to me, they are, of course, the change is evident, and it is very much evident. So, what they are asking me, how come you are able to talk in such a fluent and a good way? So, of course, I'm recommending that. I have started training from one of my a very good teacher of mine, and I'm taking online classes, and that helps me. That has helped me a lot in boosting my confidence. So, yes, definitely, I would recommend a lot of people.
Thank you so
Actually,
much.
basically, what people say, seeing is believing.
Yes.
Yes, so when they see me, they believe me. If they have noticed a change, so then people are asking. So that is the biggest compliment that I can give you.
Great. Thank you so much, Aman, for sharing your experience. And I am very sure, I'm very confident that, this has been just 1 month, and within, 2-3 months, I think you will completely reach to the.
Yes, ma'am. As the time will pass gradually, the changes will be more evident. Yes.
Yes. All right.